What you doing? Hello everyone, it's JD here, and today we're doing a very big job. This is probably one of the biggest jobs I've had to do for myself. Basically, I have to clean my carpets because all of the carpet cleaners around had closed because of lockdown. I had booked my carpet in to be cleaned about 5 weeks ago and I never got around to it because we went straight back in. So now, I'm gonna have to do it myself. We're taking the seats out, the front and the rear. We're removing just the base carpets. We are going to be cleaning with a bizzle, which is a wet vacuum. So come around, we're gonna get through this all together.
You might be giving yourself credit for it. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Anything else that's stuck on it? Surely you can tip it. Oh, fuck. Yikes. How do you remove seats? We got the first one out. Can remove this. This can go the back. Now guys, you're probably wondering, why did I pull the seats out of the Skyline? Like, what do I have to gain from that? Now, since we're cleaning the carpets and since there is coolant in the carpets, I want to make sure I can get every single spot that I can so that there's no more coolant smell every time I hop in. It is such an overwhelming smell to the point that my air fresheners that are inside, they just don't work. You can't even smell them. I can't even smell the raspberry flavored air freshener because of the overpowering smell of coolant. So that is why we're going to be wet vacuuming with this Dremel that I bought from the Good Guys for $220, and we're going to be getting all of that coolant out of the carpets. So first step, we're going to grab our Bowden's Own orange agent. We're going to put this from off into spray. As a safety precaution, you can see these cables here. We want to get these out of the way. Don't know the best way to do it, but I'm just going to stuff it into my cup holders. This one's going to be a bit difficult. I can just leave it up like that, just away. Gonna grab this. I actually just put it to off. What? Put this back to jet. Spray. There we go. So and it's got a really nice orange flavor. I mean, smell. I haven't tasted it, I promise.
Oh, really?
Just an orange smell. We've got some stains here from coffee as well that we're gonna be taking out. Gotta get right into where the coolant leaked from. Can probably put this to jet mode. I think that was the jet mode. Here we go. Feels like Call of Duty right now.
AC-130 ready for deployment.
Look at all that gunk. That should be enough.
Changing back.
So there we have it. So I've removed the carpets. There was a lot of green liquid all the way through here. That's where all the coolant it was coming from. The driver's side was a little bit better, so it seems to be seeping from the passenger side a lot more. The actual heater core is right up there underneath the dash, so that now smells a lot better. And now the car is drivable again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It has been a long day, very stressful. I spent about half an hour to about an hour just clearing the front seats out. I think I've pretty much strained my back from leaning over the carpets and brushing into them very rigorously. But as you see, the end result is so much better. Once we got the orange agent in, it did most of the work. And it smells like oranges. It smells so inviting and definitely better than the smell of coolant from a blown heater core. And also, while I was out there, I bumped into some guys who own an importing shop and they work on Skylines and GTRs and even Supras and all that. And they have offered to help me with my power window, which is the next thing I need to fix. And so I will have working drivers and passengers power windows, and it will be a great relief knowing I can go to a Macca's drive-thru and not have to get out of the car to basically grab my Macca's. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.